Next menu is charging. It will be really interesting. Lot of things to speak about. Yeah, charging menu. What you can see, the actual percent of the oh, okay. Oh, that is something new. Okay, that's new for me. Okay. You can see the percent state of charge in this moment. If you click here up, then it will change to kilometer. In this moment I got 204 kilometer range at 46% state of charge. Oh yeah, charging menu you can always open with clicking on the battery icon. Okay, let's check this display. Here you got a lot of settings, additional charging information. This is also new for me. I never seen, I don't know, it's some new option. It says battery input power 2.9 kilowatt. Oh, it's the power. It's the power what goes into the battery in this moment, probably because of, I don't know. It's a manual setting. What you can see here, let me speak about this. The charging limit you can set in this location. Oh, okay, really good. This location you can set the charging limit. It can save for you where you are and it will remember. This is an NMC battery, lithium-ion battery. Yeah, NMC battery, let's say, and it means the best to charge till, as you can see, till 80%. It means in the normal most of time in the year I just driving it to 80%. I try to not go under 20 because that's also not good for the battery. If I go to a trip, then I just pull this to the right, and it will immediately asking you discharge charge only. Choose one time charge to reset to 80%. Next time you charge, or choose keep to remain at 100% for future charging. And it says the recommended charge limit for daily driving is 80%. I don't want this. I will go out and I will put it back to 80% because I don't want more than that. And now coming, now we be interested. I'm now at 11 kilowatt charger, and this charger, it's able to give you 16 amp. But yeah, what I'm doing, because I'm charging overnight the car, I don't really want to stress the battery. Then I can always setting this to the minimum. It's 5 ampere, and then it means, as you can see here, if I clicking there, then you can see there is 4 kilowatt in this moment the charging speed. Actually it's 3 kilowatt at battery input power. It's 3 kilowatt coming to into the battery. The rest is probably it heats up a little bit. I think the battery is something like that. Yes, but with these settings is really useful. You can protect your battery from degradation. You can put it how low is possible. It's always better for battery. Okay, you can schedule the charge at this location. You can say, oh, that's another menu. Let's check it another time. You got the low power mode. You can activate when the low power while in low power mode your vehicle continues to use energy for standby functions, screen activity, and Tesla app interactions. In cold weather, available energy may drop more quickly. Do you want to enable low power mode? Let's enable it. Then yeah, it says low power mode, and energy consumption features disabled when you are yes. Okay, that's actually new option and not really using it. That's better for those guys who using. If you click on the information icon, then you can see when low power mode is enabled, vehicle will conserve energy by automatically disabling the following features. Sentry mode will be disabled. Keep accessory power on will be disabled. That's the USB ports. Keep climate on and camp mode on. Camp mode that keep climate that will be disabled. Scheduled precondition will be disabled. Cabin overheating will be disabled. Okay, while charging with low power mode, enable sentry mode and accessory power will remain available. Keep climate on and camp mode are only available when supercharging. Okay. Yes, while in low power mode, your vehicle continues to use energy for standby functions, screen activity, and Tesla app interaction. In cold weather, available energy may drop more quickly. See how your vehicle uses energy while parked in the energy app. Okay, that's later. Okay, yes. If you put it on auto, then you can put maximum 20%. Like after 20% will kick in the low power mode. I have on that setting. Next one, keep accessory on, power remains active after exit. This is for the 12 volt socket also, and also for the USB charges. Share charging data with the Tesla app. That's also a new option. Allows the vehicle to collect VIN associated charging data containing limited location information and share it with Tesla to power feature like charge stats, charge on solar, gas savings, and power share in the Tesla app. Yes, that's a new option I have. That was the charging menu.